So when this thing started, I got my sewing kit, sewed one of the masks, but it was too time consuming. So I got an easy fix, which I'm using Secure Stitch to make my mask. And what you'll need is no threads, your coffee filter, your material that you need. I actually got these from Walmart, and it's a big piece of material which I cut them in 4 pieces. Actually made, these are some other colors that came with it. That's one. It's another color, another color. So also these I use to cover the middle of the coffee filter whenever I'm putting it in, and I'll show you how I do it. So you get your piece of material, which I already ironed out, and when I did get the material, I did wash all of them, so they're very clean. Piece of material, I'm gonna cover in the middle portion, use the scissors to cut it. Just to get an angle of how big you want it. It's not going to be like this. Just got to see it. And then you get your glue. And then you glue. Remember guys, once you finish with this, you got to make sure that you leave it overnight so it could dry. And what you're going to do once you glue it, you're going to flip it over, and then you're going to fold one side again, and then on that side you're also going to glue it. So in the areas where you'll probably put a stitch, now you're going to put the liquid stitch. You glue that down like so. See the fold? That's what I'm gluing down. Then you do that for the other side. That's where you come with the shoelaces. So basically these are stretchy shoelaces that I got from CVS. If you can't find the elastic for the mask. And then I cut them in portions where you could utilize on each side. Okay? So this won't hurt your face or your ears. This is the tricky part. You could either glue it and wait for it to dry, like so, which I've done for some of them, or you you could spend some time and sew it, which I'm definitely gonna do. I'm gonna sew it. So as you can see, once I sew both sides, they will end up looking like this. Okay, so each side is glued down here, but this portion is gonna be sewn so they won't come apart. Okay, and this will be your finished product.